My name's Doug Danger, and I'm a professional motorcycle jumper. Motorcycles I started when I was about 8 years old, and my stepfather brought me to a bike shop. We ran into a pretty good salesman, and he talked him into buying 2 dirt bikes for us, and when my mother got home, she wasn't real happy. Evel Knievel Museum lets me use Evel Knievel's actual bike. It's valued at $350,000. My deal is I got to jump this motorcycle and I've got to get it to the other side. I had a horrible accident and I hit my head at 55 miles an hour going into a cement wall. I had to meet my family all over again. So my biggest recommendation for anybody out here, even if it's a skull cap, anything to protect your head from that pavement, just put it on. This is a natural adrenaline rush. It makes life like wild.